Fine trimmer like cutting teeth for a super close cut. Carbon steel for dependable, long-life blade that stays sharp. Adjusts from 000-1. Replacement blade for Andis model ML clippers. Andis adjustable blades are made with premium carbon steel. They deliver smooth cuts and effortless gliding through any hair type without streaking or snagging. Fade blades from Andis are designed specifically for skin-close results. Blade adjusts from size 0000000. The Phat Master blade is perfect for cutting tapers. Blade adjusts from size 1A2. Adjustable blade clippers are perfect for clipping fades and tapers. Top reviews from the United States. Center replacement. Fingers crossed. After 1 week it's already rusty inside and the blade is dull. Snags hair and doesn't cut. New version is junk. I expect more being an all Andis customer and barber.